I think there's going to be continued investment into sports, and it's becoming a much deeper asset class in terms of institutional equities. Always thrown in for the past 5 years. You've got a combination of private equity investors, you've got those institutional investors and sovereign wealth funds, and then your high net worths. So you've got a lot of different capital asking for different things in sport, and I think we've got to see how that works. What we have to remember in sport is our viewer, and our young viewers today are increasingly. We've both got 10-year-old boys. Well, I think I've got a 10-year-old boy, and they absorb football very quickly, but their attention spans are not as long.
And so I have to see that changing. Is it media rights? Is it actually teams are changing, and the way we consume sports in general has definitely changed in the last 5 years?
Yes, I think the media rights landscape will change dramatically, and I think we have to see a much more robust direct-to-consumer model built out over the next 5 to 6 years. The Premier League, which I love and know very, very well, has been supported by some very solid media rights deals. Those will eventually, in the next 4 years, start to move away, and we have to be able to understand how do our young people, how do we grab their attention, and how do we monetize our assets.